Amid an already waterlogged winter, yet another storm system continued to clobber the Bay Area with widespread rain and gusty winds Wednesday morning. The National Weather Service warned that the latest system, which is being tagged as an atmospheric river, could cause flooding, down trees, power outages and mudslides across the region through Thursday. An atmospheric river is defined as a slender band of moisture pulled from the tropics that eventually dumps significant levels of rain and snow, especially in locations across the West Coast, according to the Weather Service. A flash flood watch has been issued through Thursday morning for much of the Bay Area, according to the Weather Service. Water levels in creeks, streams and rivers that routinely flood could rise rapidly. The deluge of rain expected to soak already saturated soil could also trigger rockslides, landslides and debris flows. Downpours in the North Bay have prompted weather officials to issue an urban and small stream flood warning in Sonoma County through 9:45 a.m. Wednesday. The Weather Service said heavy rain will likely cause minor to moderate flooding across a stretch of terrain between Petaluma and Guerneville. Do not attempt to cross flooded roadways, the Weather Service warned. Weather officials have also issued a high wind warning through 10 a.m. Thursday for locations along the coast and in the hills resting above 1,000 feet. Winds are predicted to blow between 25 and 35 miles per hour, while gusts could peak around 60 miles per hour. The Weather Service stated that some people could be left in the dark due to scattered power outages. A wind advisory has been called through Thursday at 10 a.m. for interior valleys located in the North Bay, East Bay and South Bay. Wind speeds could range between 20 and 35 miles per hour, with gusts topping out around 45 miles per hour. By the time Thursday afternoon rolls around, locations in and around Santa Rosa and San Rafael could pick up as much as 4 inches of rain, according to the Weather Service. Napa, Half Moon Bay and Santa Cruz are predicted to collect 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. San Francisco, Concord, and Fairfield are slated to receive 1.5 to 2 inches. San Jose and Livermore are expected to tally 1 to 1. 5 inches. The wet weather is expected to taper off in time for the weekend, NBC Bay Area meteorologist Corey Hall said. It appears that Saturday will stay dry, but scattered showers could return Sunday.